guys, I changed the ends and it's running on a Vonic 5200 milliamp 2S, and let's go. All right, y'all, my first ever startup of the Gorgon on 2S. What the world kind of sound is that? I mean, she's ready, I take it. Oh God, it's a roller. I mean, it is a monster truck. Trying to tear my new yard up. My first ever two-wheel drive vehicle, y'all. Ever. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's nuts. That blue is sweet. Got a little air right there, boy. Wrong with the old monster truck. Yes, monster truck stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, monster truck stuff. Yeah, I'm talking about monster truck stuff. See that monster truck stuff, y'all? Ripping on 2S, yeah, wheelied out of it. Just a ripping on 2S. This is crazy on 2S actually. Yes. Pretty much know what she's gonna do too, I like that. Not overpowered like everything else I drive, it's nuts. She's unpredictable as hell. That's an old 2S Albonic lipo too. I'll give that thing credit because that thing's been laying in the drawer for a while. And she's just putting it down. I like this little truck. We're gonna make her a 3S Ripper, I think. They don't want to brush the system. Obviously, we ain't gonna leave this brush system here. I think I'm only gonna do like a 3 or 4S system though. No 6S, this thing don't need no 6S. 3, 4S, it'll be a ripper, it'll be fun to drive. Yes. Let's see if we can't get her going backwards. Yes, you can't get her going backwards and rip it. Oh, you can drive a wheelie on it. Let's try that again. Now getting this grippy stuff. Right here in this grippy stuff. I'm tired of slick. She took a second to hesitate this time. Finally get to rip the Gorgon. Didn't want to get it all dirty, but had to do something. Couldn't drive it nowhere else. I've been busy too, y'all, trying to get this stuff done with this house. Getting my electric on is what I'm playing hell getting the electric on. But we'll get her on and take care of her. And then we'll be having new shop, new setup, ripping. Got the other car today, boys. We got the Kagama in the house. Yeah, I can't wait to drive that thing. Hell, I was excited about driving this. I can't wait to drive the Kagama. Oh, water puddle. Oh no! Oh no. Get on your wheels. No. She's recovered, y'all. She creeps too on that brushless or that brush motor. Power wheelie out of it. Let's see if we can power wheelie over this thing. Oh yeah, we could have. We could power wheelie over that. Power slacks to kick in sometimes. Either the battery or the truck's hot or something. Fun little truck right here, yo. Can't wait to get a ramp under this thing. Fun little truck. That one axle's all bound up with dirt and grass. Look at this. Oh, she's hot. We gotta get that out of there real quick, folks. Yeah, she's all binded up there. Hold on, see y'all is off the truck. Oh, about here we go. What's your problem, buddy? You ain't got the power you already had already. Of course not. Oh, I had too much power than I had at that time. We had it, boys. Let's try it again. There's a power slider in here. Let's try again. Power took too long to kick in again. She's pogging out. Oh no, we've crashed and burned. Y'all think that's gonna do it for our first Arrma Gorgon video? What y'all think? Leave it in the comments. Tell me if y'all like this thing. For $150 to your door, you couldn't go wrong with this thing. I mean, it's fun just the way it is. And then you throw a little brushless. It's only got a 25 amp ESC in it right now. You imagine this thing with a Hobby Wing 60 that I'm about to throw in it or something, and put it on 3S. It's gonna be a beast. Yeah, she's hot. She's bogging out, boys and stuff. So we're gonna cut her some slack. We ran her good. We gotta get cleaning up this mess of a house, but the boys inside, she's nicely remodeled, and yeah, we're gonna make it really nice. So you guys get to come along with this project too. My new endeavor on my journey in the next step of life, guys. So with that being said, we love y'all. Thank y'all for participating. The contest for the giveaways coming up real soon. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it when it comes on live. So you want to be there. All right, y'all. Peace out. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Can't forget that. Love y'all. Peace.